Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to mute and unmute someone's Facebook stories on Facebook. First of all, you need to learn why you need to mute someone's Facebook story. It is not compulsory, but some people or brand are so irritating they keep on making stories and keep on uploading whole day, which might disturb you. So let's see how you can just make them mute and unmute. Before, please subscribe our channel and turn the notification so that you can know about our latest videos and updates. Open your Facebook account and log into your Facebook account. After that, you will find stories on the top. Now, let's select someone's story whom you want to mute. For example, let's take Basant Malik's stories. Tap on that. There you will see three dots on the top. Tap there. There you will find Mute Basant Malik. Tap there. After tapping on that, you will see a pop-up box will appear like this. You need to tap on Mute. Basant Malik stories will not appear on your first dashboard of story. So you will not find any stories from Basant Malik since you have muted his stories. This is how you can easily mute someone's story. Now, if you are free and you want to use your time by watching this story, and if you want to unmute the same person's story and watch what he is posting recently and what he has done recently. So for that, you need to again unmute the story. For that, you need to go to setting of stories, tap on see all the stories. There you will find setting on top. Tap there. After tapping on that, you will find story active settings, story you have muted, story privacy. So we have story you have muted. Tap there on mute to mute. Then finally, it's unmuted and you can easily view Basant Malik stories very easily, or you can easily unmute them and view their stories. Hope this video helped you a lot. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Guys, do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for further and new videos. Thank you.